Hi, I'm John, the old new farmer. Today we're going to be working on a hay spear design. We've seen it done by Westendorfer, and I've seen Wes Pandy, the One Lonely Farmer. I've seen him work on a version of it. So anyway, we're going to work on one today. We've kind of got a different take on it, but I'm going to go ahead and move a skid steer in and let's get going. Hey, Dally girl, load up. So I'll try to show you over here what we're doing. We've built a hay spear that has a hinge on it. And the guys we've seen use these things in the past, it makes it real easy to get your bale spears out when you have that friction around the bottom of the spear. So we ended up using some industrial duty hinges. We bought a 3-foot piano hinge and we cut that in 3 sections, and our local machine shop was able to get hold of that and fabricate that up for us. So then we've built the upper structure here. So now that'll bend and pull the spears out mechanically. So here we go. Here's another one that we're fabbing up right now. You can sort of see the back end of the hinge. So and you can see our skid steer plate that we bought from a company called hayspear.com. We bought our skid steer plates, and they seem to make some pretty heavy duty stuff. It's nice, not that expensive. We'll show some video of it getting fabbed up, and then once we get one done, we'll show some video of it out and actually working in a bale. So me and the Dally dog had to run to the park store and run up to the house here. Will's been down there. He's continued to weld on that spear setup. So go down and see how he's going, and then we're going to get this thing fit up and actually show you how it works. Kind of neat, because when you set bales, large square bales down, they want to pinch the spears, and you have so much friction in there, you can't hardly get the spears off without holding the bale somehow on the ground or with a second bale on top of it. So this way it mechanically pulls those spears a little bit out, so then you can just back out. It allows a little bit less experienced operator to be able to handle those bales without having any issues. All right, so let's pull in here and see how he's getting along. Let me go look at the cows, Dally. With me. With me. Down. Walk up. Down. Walk up. Down. With me. Down. With me. Back up. All right, Dad, let's go. Come on. All right, let's see how he's getting along here. Dally, come on. Come on, Dally, load up. Do that one more time. So all that's left now is to paint it and stick it back out in the field and out with all the other equipment and let her go. I should have done a video on this. This is kind of an interesting piece too. We call this our bale beast. It's hydraulically controlled where it'll pick up both bales individually, so you can stab a round bale, get it up off the ground, and then stab another round bale and get it up off the ground, and carry two bales at the same time and set one down and then set the other down. It's pretty cool. I'll have to do a video on that. I don't think I have already. So anyway, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click all the buttons you need to. Once again, I'm the old new farmer. We're just trying to have a little fun.